In this video, we're going to learn how you can add a client in Hayvee mobile application. When you log in, you will going to redirect to this dashboard page. And if you scroll down, this is a client button. You can simply click on it. And here you can see your active clients, your inactive clients, and this is the all filter where you can see all the clients in here. So to create a client, you can simply click on this plus icon, select the client type. I'm selecting National Preservation Company, and then I can simply select or type Safeguard Properties. This contact information is optional. So if you want to add a primary contact as the RVM of Safeguard, you can simply put their name, their contact role, email address, phone number, or if they have any alternate phone number, and the address of the company. This is for making everything at one place, but these are the optional fields. So if you want to leave it blank, you can do that. This is the note section. You can put the note. So I usually put discount percentage most of the time in here, but if you want to put any type of notes, you want to add more contact information or their accounts payable email address, you can just put in here. So if you want to look into it, you can have all the information at one place, and then you can simply click on create client. It will gonna create Safeguard Properties as one of your client. This pencil icon, you can simply edit this client information and then you can save it. If you want to make it deactive, you can simply click on deactivate the client, and this client will be deactivate and it will not gonna look in your client selection model basically. So right now I'm activating it again, and this is my client list. So right now I have Guardian Asset Management and Safeguard Properties both added as my client, and now I can start adding their work orders. This is how you can add clients in Hayvee mobile application. If you have any support related issues or if you have any questions or concern, you can call on 307-429-0177 and press extension 4, and you will be redirected to our support line where we can help you if you need any help about the app. This is all for today. In the next video, we're going to learn how we can add the work order in Hayvee mobile application. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.